You might not want Twitter to track your location and want to turn it off. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off location on Twitter. Without further ado, let's get started. Now just go ahead and open up our Twitter app right over here. And from your homepage or from your newsfeed, just click on your profile icon at the top left part of your screen and click on settings and privacy. If that does not show up, make sure that you click on settings and support to open up the drop down menu and click on settings and privacy again. Now from here, click on privacy and safety to manage what information you see and share on Twitter. So tap on that, and once we scroll down to the very bottom, you should be able to see the location information under the data sharing and personalization section of this page. So tap on location information to manage the location information Twitter uses to personalize your experience. So tap on that. And then to turn off the location, you can toggle this off right here so that Twitter won't personalize the content that you see on Twitter based on places you've been. So if you don't want that, just click on this toggle button right here to have it turn gray so that Twitter won't be able to track your location, and you won't allow Twitter to use some information like where you have signed up and your current location to help you show relevant content. So Twitter won't be able to personalize your experiences based on other places you have been. So you might not want that, so just click on the toggle button as I have said. You can also disable the precise location, so tap on precise location and make sure that this toggle button is turned off so that Twitter won't be able to track you with your GPS information. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.